this one. Oh, that's so cute, isn't it? Just really neat fall colors. It does have a flaw, though. Would that bother you? Things like that bother Norm. They don't tend to bother me that much.
Face with hole. Oh, there's the hole. I was thinking they were meaning this hole. It's got two holes. Holy cow. Cockatiel, cockatoo, cockatee. Cockatiel. And here's another horse. Wow, that's cool. That must be a night light. Yep, TV lamp. You get a free TV with it.
I don't know if Norm showed you this light up here. It says $750 firm. Just look at all those globes. Very much like when Norm and I got married in the 60s. We were almost married in the 70s because it was 1969. But we had very Spanish, Mediterranean, they called it, kitchen set. And our lamps, our table, our end tables, coffee table, very Mediterranean. I loved it, really did. Still like it. Don't have it anymore, of course, but this is the most fun painting. Look at the detail, how bright that is. How cheery. It's just huge. It's a huge painting. Really, really, really big. But so cheery.
Coffee grinder, $2,900. Unfortunately, it's on a base with wheels. Well, that's big. Hate to have to use that every morning to get a cup of coffee, but you gotta have a cup of coffee, you gotta do what you gotta do. Wow, look at that brass horse. That is huge. That is nice. $125 for the horse, and it is heavy. Really heavy. I think I'd have a hard time picking that up with one hand. Don't want to test my luck though. Oh, here's a knob for a 55 Chevy. That's cool. $15. I think that's not a bad price for those. That's, it used to be the thing back on those days. Putting it on the steering wheel, cranking as you're going around the corner at 90 miles an hour, impressing your girlfriend. Trying to anyway.
Oh, look what we have here. 29. Pretty sure we have him. And there's her. Wow, these things are getting expensive.
Oh, look at all the toy guns. Double holster set there. $145 for that. These are cool. Oldies but goodies. Not cheap though. Oh. Some old trucks. Lots of fishing lures.
Oh, here's a Thanksgiving themed one. I don't see that hardly ever.
You'd need a pretty big grill to grill this guy. Can't imagine catching something like that. About half the size of my boat.
And this is expensive too. Fenton Caramel Slag Bud Vase. A pretty design on it. Very nice. I love this turquoise pot. I'm not gonna get it, but I'm just saying I love those. I have a pink one. Probably gonna be showing it to you in my decor for
And the price is?
my next living room decor. It is Red Wing, right?
I don't think so. Didn't say anything.
Not even on a label? How much? How much?
Well, it's $40 for 30.
Yeah, see, that's expensive. Well, there's another vase back there that's speckled, but
Says as is.
typically the
Got a hairline.
speckled,
It's got a hairline crack in it right here.
yeah, typically the speckled pottery is Red Wing that I've noticed.
Like the pink one back there?
Not for.
I thought that's what you said.
Yes, I just saying I admire the speckled pottery.
Yeah.
Ah, here's a little toucan figurine made in Brazil. That's really cute. I think I like that. See, I'm decorating our living room with African tropical and African decor. I'll have to look up where toucans are. I'm sure they're in the jungles, most any jungle, but I'll make sure. That's a fun piece. I do like. Oh, isn't that cute? That's really cute. Yeah. It's funny, we actually have this pelican at home. That's funny. I only have a couple of glass pieces. I can't get over all the blue glass there is in this mall. It is really pretty. Little Mr. Peanut mug, child's mug maybe. See, I like that. See, that's reasonable to me for a, I don't know, do you think that's a votive more than a toothpick holder? I can't tell. It looks a little bigger. And I can't tell if it's footed. Oh, and I did find this, believe it or not, at a thrift store. Yeah. That is amazing. I forget who made that. And that is a beautiful fish. Lots and lots of blue. I think that's a very cute salt and pepper set. The fish, I always think fish are adorable. I have that dog. I always liked a couple of these booths over here because they had more dishes that I love looking at, like finding fun glasses. Like, I love this set for fall, but I have plenty of juice ones. And very nice olive green goblets down there. I have plenty of those. Oh, that's what I wanted to show you down here. I found that set of mushroom ones that I did just show you in a video in our kitchen. And my brother gave me that big Mary mushroom one. I believe I have that one. I don't know. It's hard telling. I know I have a big butterfly one that's very much like it, but I may have actually ended up with two of those, so I did sell one on eBay. Yeah, a couple years ago or more. But they're very nice. Wonder what the price is. They're on the floor, so I'm sorry. See if I can tell. 35. Wow. Norm didn't see this little guy. We got one similar. It's really tiny. But look at the price. That is Rosbro. And this is only $4.95. He might... We have one like that. But he may be very interested. Oh, and this is chocolate. You know, I collect the chocolate bunnies. Oh, isn't that funny? Let me get a better grip on it here. So he's got a walking stick. Very old-fashioned, but... I just don't know. I mean, it's not cutesy, you know? I don't think I like the old-fashioned look with a backpack. And it's not quite my style. There's Norm. Here's a chocolate bunny.
Oh, good.
Well,
yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh, yeah. But he's just not my style. He's like too tiny for all the other ones, but I found a couple things for you that you better get. We have one like this. He may not be colored like that.
Yeah.
That's a little Rosbro piece, and this is a pretty good deal for $4.95 if you're interested.
Did you see
might
that
feel you
leaping
have
gazelle over there for $34.95?
No, I haven't been to that whole side yet.
Really nice.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to bother with the chick or not. It's a good price.
Yeah. Do they have any eggs in them?
Oh, it does.
Yeah, you got an egg. Usually they come without an egg.
I'm surprised that's not going to fall out. Better watch out.
Chicken and egg. Zuh.
Oh, let me see. Underneath.
There's only one. Oh no, there's 3 of them in there.
Oh, good. I hope they're not jelly beans.
No, they're not.
Okay, well, good. I found something buried in there for you.
Oh.
These are tin eggs. Wow. They're not put together very well, but where's the price?
That'd be kind of hard to crack, wouldn't it?
No price. Let me show you how cute they are. If they were put together better, you could tell what the pattern is. Yeah, there's no price on them. They are very popular. I've seen them on eBay.
Really?
Yes. Look them up. Vintage tin, small tin eggs. Yep, they're pretty popular.
1940s Western electric phone. I remember we had one of those in the house when I was growing up. It's a good size building. Lots of rooms. There's a whole nother section down here. And we got all this over here. More sale items I see, and sale signs.
These two bunnies playing instruments are really, really sweet. They're very little. They are made in occupied Japan. They're very, very tiny, as you can tell by the creamer. I've always liked these little glass swans. I don't know what that is, if it's an individual salt. That's kind of big. Wow, look at that egg holder. Oh, that's a really neat egg holder. I've never seen that before either, with a claw. Well, that makes sense. It's a chicken's claw. Huh? Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Never seen a chicken's claw egg holder. And this is quite nice. This looks like definitely Japan. $12. Really cute. Yeah, it says just made in Japan. So it's not occupied Japan, but very cute. I like this. $5. The little bell, very sweet. On the left. There's more people in here now, so you will occasionally hear some voices. There's a green grape cluster down there. I kind of like the bigger ones better, that don't have like that really, really thick stem on them. I do have a couple, you know, like a yellow one, a red one, maybe an orange one, that are 3 small ones, and I do like them, but I kind of stopped buying them. Now this is something you hardly ever see. A lucite napkin holder. Look at how expensive it is. Oh my. Being turquoise and black could have something to do with the price. Very retro colors for a kitchen. Very nice. We have that one that's the round globe look in red. That looks more plum or brown. Quite interesting. Probably plum. And some of them are missing their stoppers, but they're still expensive. Good grief. Wow, look at the milk glass one. $125. Wow, I do love the gold one. The best. There's so many fun things in this booth. All of that shelving is just really full. So I'll back out so you can see what a smorgasbord that is. Isn't that fun? And they have more around the corner here. See all the glasses? That's why I like looking over here. Ooh, look at all the pretty glass fruit down there. It's nice. Oh, I like these. Oh, I like those. Oh, that bird one. I love that bird third one. I think I've got one with the rooster on top for the handle. Those are really nice. I wonder what the price is. Blue ones are just beautiful too. Oh, look at, there's another one. They are fun. But I do love this one. Oh, that's so cute, isn't it? Just really neat fall colors. It does have a flaw though. Would that bother you? Things like that bother Norm. They don't tend to bother me that much. Yeah, that's really neat. Hard for me to pass those up. I could see me really having fun putting all of my trivets up on a wall somewhere. But it would have to be my melt glass plate wall, and I'm not ready to give up my melt glass plate wall. I love it. I should move the tag here. They're all $12. So you can... I think the turquoise and the orange ones really go together. Sorry to be moving my phone a little too much, but it's because I'm zoomed in. They really go together nice. It is funny though that they have a rooster on top. It doesn't quite add up to me. And that one is just adorable too, but a weird blue. To me that's, what do you call that? Periwinkle blue. My mom always called it a blue that had more purple in it. That's what she called it. I don't know, but look at the glass fruit. Nice. I have a few pieces. Every time I come here, I adore seeing these 70s Flower Power mugs. They're only $5 each, but it's not the style handle that Norm and I would use every day, so they'd be just decorative, but they have two of them. It's an adorable pair for $5. I can't believe that no one's bought those yet. For just fun kitchen shelving. And the red glasses are nice. See, this is our style mug, but I don't want to invest in a one with cards on it. But that's the handle we use, not that one. It's totally different. Yep, no mark in the bottom of that one. Yeah, so I wish they had something in our mugs. I only have one of these, and they want $6 for it. I should get it, but I know they're all over the place. Probably Libby, you know, right? And these are really popular. All your little leprechauns, munchkins, what do you call them? I forget. There's another word probably. And I've seen these around. Wow, she's a beauty. Victorian lady with white poodles. Excellent condition. Look at her dress. Real lace. Look at that face. That is sweet. That's the top of her umbrella. Ah, you wouldn't believe what I found at Goodwill last week for $1.99. It's up above me here. It was $1.99 and I had my 25% senior discount. That little double Bluebird of Happiness. I hear people talking about them all the time. picking them up, talking about Bluebird of Happiness, and I didn't know if that's something, a name that was just kind of coined for any of these glass bluebirds, but I don't know what that is, but I don't think I like it. I hope it's mechanical. Is that a clock? I bet that's a clock going off. That's what I think that was. That's what I hope that was. But anyways, I found the little teeny double one, and it had this sticker on it, and I thought, oh, there is such a thing. Made in USA. I don't know by who. Terra Studios. Okay. Lee Ward. 2000. The year 2000. Huh. I think that's what that says. Lee Ward. It says Leo. No, sorry. Leo Ward. No, nothing about it. $18, and I got it for $1.99 minus 25%. Whatever that is. So that was shocking for me to come across. I thought, they don't know? They didn't know. Wow, how popular that is. My video clip's getting too long here. This is nuts, isn't it? Oh, it's glued together. Goofy. Here's a few little planters. They're very small, very cute. I don't know the price. I love frog planters, but that's kind of small. This is very cute. Oh, okay, here's the price. Shawnee, really? That's a good price then. Yeah, and this one's cute. It's got a little plant, succulent in it, and oh, that's very tiki. I just bought corn on the cob, pair of salt and peppers. I like that. I have that in red, a little toothpick holder. I used it for Valentine's decor. Yeah, I don't like it in blue. I like the ones that are in pink. $2.95 for that is really a good price. I have a set of goblets that we're using right now. A whole set I found at the Goodwill for $2 each. I think I got like 8 of them a year ago. Boy, is this a fancy bird figurine. Really gorgeous. $10. Very, very pretty. I guess I like the really high gloss on it. This is really a nice shell. It's in beautiful condition. It's
amazing, isn't it?
$17.95. That's a lot to me, but I don't see shells. Seashells?
You don't see seashells down by the seashore?
No, I don't see shells like this, so the whole bathroom is full of shells. Shells. Yeah, that's really nice. That would be fun in our
Did you
tropical...
see the starfish in there?
Yeah, it's huge.
Isn't that amazing how this...
Oh, I'm glad Norm likes it.
I spotted it too.
Yeah, it's cool. Thank you.
Okay. The lady's name is Liz. She's very friendly.
Yeah.
And
she said she was the assistant manager. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, very fun visiting with Liz. Thank you, Liz.
Yep, thank you.
Yeah, it's been a great day. Thanks. Cute pig. 25% off. Music instruments, frame artwork, clear glass for electrical lamps, china set of dishes, spinning wheels. Not pigs. It's very cute, but should have my light on. There you go. That looks backwards to me. But the arms are there and the bow is there. Weird shape.